India Golf.
Oscar Kilo Juliet Golf Golf. Contact Heathrow radar on 125.62.
Continuous failed. Contacting Heathrow radar on 125.62. Oscar Kilo Juliet Golf Golf. Heathrow Director.
Roger.
Heathrow Director, Oscar Kilo Juliet Golf Golf, with you at 19,400.
American 998 Heavy. Contact London Heathrow Tower on 118.5.
Contacting London Heathrow Tower on 118.
Oscar Kilo Juliet Golf Golf. Contact Heathrow radar on 125.62.
Contacting Heathrow radar on 125.62. Oscar Kilo Juliet Golf Golf.
Alpha Victor Delta.
Heathrow radar, Oscar Kilo Juliet Golf Golf, with you at 18,600.
Singapore 317. Frequency change approved. Good day.
Heathrow radar, Alpha Victor Delta Alpha November, with you at 10,000.
Oscar Kilo Juliet Golf Golf. Radar contact. Say approach request.
Heathrow radar, Speedbird 1337, with you at 10,700.
Alpha Victor Delta Alpha November is 6 nautical miles southeast of Rathalton at 10,000 feet, requesting Isles approach and... Oscar Kilo Juliet Golf Golf is 4 nautical miles east of Shattesville at 17,500 feet.
Oscar Kilo Juliet Golf Golf. Continue as filed. Expect the Isles...
Roger, Oscar Kilo Juliet Golf Golf.
United 880 Heavy. Continue as filed. Expect the Isles approach runway 27 left at London Heathrow. Roger, United 880 Heavy. Speedbird 1337. Descend and maintain 6,000.
Descend and maintain 6,000, Speedbird 1337.
Alpha Victor Delta Alpha November. Turn right heading 180. Descend and maintain 5,000.
Turn right heading 180, descend and maintain 5,000, Alpha Victor Delta Alpha November.
Airbus 16 Heavy. Descend and maintain 5,000. Tango Yankee Lima Echo Romeo. Turn left heading 200. Descend and maintain 4,000.
Turn left heading 200, descend and maintain 4,000, Tango Yankee Lima Echo Romeo.
Finnair 842. Expect vectors for the Isles approach runway 27 left at London Heathrow.
Descend and maintain 5,000, Airbus 16 Heavy.
Roger, Finnair 842.
Starlux 10 Whiskey Uniform Super. Turn left heading 190. Maintain 4,000. Airbus 16 Heavy. Do not exceed 200 knots.
Turn left heading 190, maintain 4,000, Starlux 10 Whiskey Uniform Super.
Finnair 842. Turn right heading 240. Descend and maintain 5,000. Maintain 5,000 until established on the localizer. Cleared Isles runway 27 left approach.
Do not exceed 200 knots, Airbus 16 Heavy.
Turn right heading 240. Descend and maintain 5,000. Maintain 5,000 until established on the localizer. Cleared Isles runway 27 left. Finnair 842.
Speedbird 1337. Descend and maintain 5,000.
Descend and maintain 5,000, Speedbird 1337.
Alpha Victor Delta Alpha November. Turn left heading 080. Tango Yankee Lima Echo Romeo. Turn left heading 180. Descend and maintain 2,000.
Turn left heading 180, descend and maintain 2,000, Tango Yankee Lima Echo Romeo. Turn left heading 080, Alpha Victor Delta Alpha November.
Starlux 10 Whiskey Uniform Super. Descend and maintain 2,000.
JetBlue 1904, requesting to divert to London Heathrow. Heathrow radar, Thai 928 Super, with you at 9,600. Descend and maintain 2,000, Starlux 10 Whiskey Uniform Super.
JetBlue 1904, diversion approved. Proceed on course to London Heathrow. Tango Yankee Lima Echo Romeo. Turn right heading 240. Descend and maintain 2,000. Maintain 2,000 until established on the localizer. Cleared Isles runway 27 right approach.
Roger, JetBlue 1904. Turn right heading 240, descend and maintain 2,000, maintain 2,000 until established on the localizer, cleared Isles runway 27 right, Tango Yankee Lima Echo Romeo.
Speedbird 256 Heavy. Turn left heading 360. Speedbird 1337. Turn left heading 090.
Turn left heading 090, Speedbird 1337.
Turn left heading 360, Speedbird 256 Heavy. JetBlue 1904 is 6 nautical miles east of Shoreham at 35,000 feet, requesting radar vectors to London Heathrow.
JetBlue 1904, expect vectors for the Isles approach runway 27 left at London Heathrow.
Stand by, Thai 928 Super. Roger, JetBlue 1904.
Airbus 16 Heavy, turn right heading 150, descend and maintain 2,000. Speedbird 1337, do not exceed 200 knots.
Do not exceed 200 knots. Speedbird 1337. Turn right heading 150. Descend and maintain 2000. Airbus 16 Heavy.
Heathrow radar, Virgin 7.
Oscar Kilo Juliet Golf Golf, descend and maintain 7000. Starlux 10 Whiskey Uniform Super, turn right heading 240.
Descend and maintain 7000. Oscar Kilo Juliet Golf Golf. Turn right heading 240, maintain 2000 until established on the localizer, cleared aisles runway 27 right, Starlux 10 Whiskey Uniform Super.
United 880 Heavy, turn right heading 090, descend and maintain 3000. Shamrock 15 India Golf is 6 nautical miles north of Pavan at 17,000 feet, requesting aisles approach runway 27 left at London Heathrow. Speedbird 1337, turn right heading 180. Alpha Victor Delta Alpha November, turn left heading 030.
Turn right heading 090. Descend and maintain 3000. United 880 Heavy. Turn right heading 180. Speedbird 1337.
Turn left heading 030, Alpha Victor Delta Alpha November.
Thai 928 Super, turn left heading 060, descend and maintain 7000.
Turn left heading 060, descend and maintain 7000, Thai 928 Super.
Speedbird 1337, descend and maintain 2000.
Descend and maintain 2000. Speedbird 1337.
Shamrock 15 India Golf, continue as filed, expect the aisles approach runway 27 left at London Heathrow. Roger, Shamrock 15 India Golf. Speedbird 256 Heavy, expect vectors for the aisles approach runway 27 left at London Heathrow. Speedbird 256 Heavy, turn left heading 300, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared aisles runway 27 left approach.
JetBlue 1904, requesting descent to 15,000. Turn left heading 300, maintain 3000, maintain...
Oscar Kilo Juliet Golf Golf, turn left heading 090, descend and...
Turn left heading 090, descend and maintain 4000, Oscar Kilo Juliet Golf Golf.
Tango Yankee Lima Echo Romeo, contact London Heathrow Tower on 118.5.
Contacting London Heathrow Tower on 118.5, Tango Yankee Lima Echo Romeo.
Finner 842, contact London Heathrow Tower on 118.5.
Contacting London Heathrow Tower on 118.5. Finnair 842.
JetBlue 1904, turn left heading 030, descend and maintain 8000.
Thai 928 Super is 4 nautical miles southeast of Rathbenson at 7,000 feet, requesting visual approach any runway at London Heathrow.
Speedbird 1337, reduce speed to 170 knots.
Unable, JetBlue 1904. JetBlue 1904, requesting to divert to Paris Charles.
Reduce speed to 170 knots. Speedbird 1337.
Thai 928 Super, expect vectors for the aisles approach runway 27 right at London Heathrow. Alpha Victor Delta Alpha November, turn right heading 180.
Heathrow radar, Delta November India Lima Sierra Super, with you at 15,400. Roger, Thai 928 Super.
Speedbird 1337, expect vectors for the aisles approach runway 27 right at London Heathrow.
Turn right heading 180, Alpha Victor Delta Alpha November.
Speedbird 1337, turn right heading 240, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared aisles runway 27 right approach.
Turn right heading 240, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 27 right, Speedbird 1337.
Speedbird 184, descend and maintain 5000. Delta November India Lima Sierra Super, radar contact. Descend and maintain 5000, Speedbird 184. Speedbird 1337, stand by. Speedbird 1337, turn right heading 290, maintain 2000 until established on the localizer, cleared aisles runway 27 right approach.
Heathrow radar, Speedbird 256 Heavy, with you at 3000.
Speedbird 256 Heavy, radar contact. Starlux 10 Whiskey Uniform Super, contact London Heathrow Tower on 118.5.
Contacting London Heathrow Tower on 118.5, Starlux 10 Whiskey Uniform Super.
Turn right heading 290, maintain 2000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 27 right, Speedbird 1337.
Speedbird 184, descend and maintain 4000. Descend and maintain 4000, Speedbird 184. United 880 Heavy, turn left heading 360.
Turn left heading 360, United 880 Heavy.
Thai 928 Super, turn right heading 090. Alpha Victor Delta Alpha November, turn right heading 240, maintain 5000 until established on the localizer, cleared aisles runway 27 right approach.
Turn right heading 090, Thai 928 Super.
Virgin 773 Heavy, request frequency change.
Oscar Kilo Juliet Golf Golf, do not exceed 200 knots.
Do not exceed 200 knots. Oscar Kilo Juliet Golf Golf.
Speedbird 184, maintain 230 knots or greater.
Thank you, good day, Virgin 773 Heavy.
Speedbird 1337, contact London Heathrow Tower on 118.5. Maintain 230 knots or greater, Speedbird 184.
Contacting London Heathrow Tower on 118.5, Speedbird 1337.
Shamrock 15 India Golf, descend and maintain 6000. Descend and maintain 6000, Shamrock 15 India Golf. Speedbird 184, descend and maintain 2000. Descend and maintain 2000, Speedbird 184. Oscar Kilo Juliet Golf Golf, turn right heading 180.
Turn right heading 180, Oscar Kilo Juliet Golf Golf. Victor Papa Bravo Delta November is 9 nautical miles southeast of Bournemouth at 15,000 feet, requesting Isles approach runway 27 right at London Heathrow.
Turn right heading 180, Speedbird 184. Alpha Victor Delta Alpha November, thank you, good day. Alpha Victor Delta Alpha November, contact London Heathrow Tower on 118.5.
Contacting London Heathrow Tower on 118.5, Alpha Victor Delta Alpha November.
Victor Papa Bravo Delta November, continue as filed, expect the Isles approach runway 27 right at London Heathrow.
Roger, Victor Papa Bravo Delta November.
United 880 Heavy, turn left heading 300, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared Isles runway 27 left approach.
Turn left heading 300, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared Isles runway 27 left, United 880 Heavy.
Thai 928 Super, descend and maintain 4000.
Descend and maintain 4000, Thai 928 Super.
Shamrock 15 India Golf, expect vectors for the Isles approach runway 27 right at London Heathrow. Roger, Shamrock 15 India Golf. Speedbird 184, turn right heading 240, maintain 2000 until established on the localizer, cleared Isles runway 27 right approach. Turn right heading 240, maintain 2000 until established on the localizer, cleared Isles runway 27 right, Speedbird 184. Speedbird 184, do not exceed 200 knots. Do not exceed 200 knots, Speedbird 184. Shamrock 15 India Golf, turn right heading 090, descend and maintain 5000. Turn right heading 090, descend and maintain 5000, Shamrock 15 India Golf. United 880 Heavy, maintain 170 knots until 5 mile final.
Maintain 170 knots until 5 mile final, United 880 Heavy.
Speedbird 184, maintain 170 knots until 5 mile final. Maintain 170 knots until 5 mile final, Speedbird 184. Speedbird 184, correction, stand by. Speedbird 184, maintain 160 knots until 4 mile final. Maintain 160 knots until 4 mile final. Oscar Kilo Juliet Golf Golf, turn right heading 240.
Turn right heading 240, maintain 4000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 27 right, Oscar Kilo Juliet Golf Golf.
Thai 928 Super, turn right heading 180, descend and maintain 3000. Atari 013 Victor Alpha Super, say intentions.
Turn right heading 180, descend and maintain 3000, Thai 928 Super. Speedbird 113 Heavy, request frequency change.
Speedbird 113 Heavy, frequency change approved. Good day.
Frequency change approved. Speedbird 113 Heavy, good day. Thai 928 Super is 8 nautical miles northwest of London City at 3,700 feet, requesting visual approach runway 27 left at London Heathrow.
Thai 928 Super, stand by.
Qatari 013 Victor Alpha Super is 3 nautical miles north of Chalak at 20,600 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 27 left at London Heathrow. Stand by, Thai 928 Super.
Qatari 013 Victor Alpha Super, continue as filed, expect the ILS approach runway 27 right at London Heathrow. Thai 928 Super, do not exceed 190 knots.
Do not exceed 190 knots, Thai 928 Super. Roger, Qatari 013 Victor Alpha Super.
Shamrock 15 India Golf, descend and maintain 3000. Descend and maintain 3000. Oscar Kilo Juliet Golf Golf, contact London Heathrow Tower on 11.
Contacting London Heathrow Tower on 118.5, Oscar Kilo Juliet Golf Golf.
Qatari 013 Victor Alpha Super, descend and maintain 6000.
London Heathrow Tower, Oscar Kilo Juliet Golf Golf is 12 nautical miles to the east at 4,000 feet. Oscar Kilo Juliet Golf Golf, wind 270 at 9. Number 3, clear to land, runway 27 right, Oscar Kilo Juliet Golf Golf. Speedbird 189 Heavy, contact Heathrow Director on 120.4. Speedbird 274 India Golf Heavy, hold short of runway 27 left. Contacting Heathrow Director on 120.4, Speedbird 189 Heavy. Speedbird 269, hold short of runway 27 left. JetBlue 066 November Zulu, contact Heathrow Director on 120.4.
Holding short runway 27 left, Speedbird 269.
Holding short runway 27 left, Speedbird 274 India Golf Heavy.
Alpha Victor Delta Alpha November, when able turn left and contact ground, please expedite, traffic on final. Wilco, Alpha Victor Delta Alpha November. Speedbird 274 India Golf Heavy, line up and wait runway 27 left.
Line up and wait runway 27 left, Speedbird 274 India Golf Heavy.
United 880 Heavy, exit runway when able and contact ground, please expedite.
Wilco, United 880 Heavy.
London Heathrow Tower, Lufthansa 477, ready for departure at runway 27 left, departing south.
Speedbird 274 India Golf Heavy, wind 260 at 13, runway 27 left, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 27 left, Speedbird 274 India Golf Heavy.
Speedbird 184, when able turn left and contact ground, please expedite, traffic on final.
Wilco, Speedbird 184.
Lufthansa 477, hold short of runway 27 left.
Holding short runway 27 left, Lufthansa 477.
Lufthansa 477, wind 260 at 13, runway 27 left, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 27 left, Lufthansa 477.
Speedbird 184, request frequency change.
1000.
London Heathrow Tower, Thai 928 Super is 8 nautical miles to the east at 2,000 feet, inbound for landing. Speedbird 184, contact London Heathrow ground on 121.7.
Contacting London Heathrow ground on 121.7, Speedbird 184.
Speedbird 274 India Golf Heavy, contact Heathrow director on 120.4.
London Heathrow Tower, Turkish 8 Echo Romeo, ready for departure at runway 27 left, departing east. Contacting Heathrow director on 120.4, Speedbird 274 India Golf Heavy.
London Heathrow Tower, United 897 Delta, ready for departure at runway 27 left, departing west. Thai 928 Super, wind 260 at 13, number 2, runway 27 right, clear to land. Turkish 8 Echo Romeo, wind 260 at 13, runway 27 left, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 27 left, Turkish 8 Echo Romeo.
United 897 Delta, hold short of runway 27 left. Number 2, clear to land, runway 27 right, Thai 928 Super. Holding short runway 27 left, United 897 Delta.
London Heathrow Tower, KLM 223 Heavy, ready for departure in sequence at runway 27 left, departing south.
Lufthansa 477, contact Heathrow director on 120.4.
Contacting Heathrow director on 120.4, Lufthansa 477.
KLM 223 Heavy, hold short of runway 27 left. Attempt Oscar Kilo Juliet Golf Golf, when able turn left and contact ground, please expedite, traffic on final. Wilco, Oscar Kilo Juliet Golf Golf.
London Heathrow Tower, Spaniel, ready for departure in sequence at runway 27 left, departing east.
Spaniel, hold short of runway 27 left.
Holding short runway 27 left, Spaniel.
Spaniel
At runway 27 left, departing south.
Contacting Heathrow director on 120.4, Lufthansa 477.
Wind 260 at 13, runway 27 left, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 27 left, Samuel. London Heathrow Tower.
Oscar Kilo Juliet Golf Golf, request frequency change. Turkish 8 Echo Romeo, contact Heathrow radar on 125.62.
Contacting Heathrow radar on 125.62, Turkish 8 Echo Romeo.
Stand by, United 897 Delta. Thai 928 Super, when able turn left and contact ground, please expedite, traffic on final. Wilco, Thai 928 Super. Oscar Kilo Juliet Golf Golf, contact London Heathrow ground on... Contacting London Heathrow ground on 121.7, Oscar Kilo Juliet Golf Golf. London Heathrow ground, Oscar Kilo Juliet Golf Golf, request taxi to gate 563 at the Terminal 5C. Starlux 10 Whiskey Uniform Super, taxi to runway 27 left, contact tower when ready. London Heathrow ground, Thai 928 Super, Oscar Kilo Juliet Golf Golf. Taxi to parking, Oscar Kilo Juliet Golf Golf. Thai 928 Super, taxi to parking, at your discretion.
Thank you, good day, United 880 Heavy.
Taxi to parking, Thai 928 Super. 9 November Delta Lima Romeo, runway 27 left, taxi via Sierra, Sierra 1, contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 27 left via Sierra, Sierra 1, 9 November Delta Lima Romeo. London Heathrow ground, Cafe 165 Super, ready for pushback with information X-ray, requesting runway 27 left. Cafe 165 Super, pushback approved, tail to the north. Pushback approved, tail to the north, Cathay 165 Super. London Heathrow ground, Virgin 153, ready to taxi with information X-ray. Virgin 153, taxi to runway 27 left, contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 27 left, Virgin 153.
London Heathrow ground, Emirates 13 Bravo Hotel Super, ready for pushback with information X-ray.
Emirates 13 Bravo Hotel Super, pushback approved, tail to the north.
Pushback approved, tail to the north, Emirates 13 Bravo Hotel Super.
Thank you, good day, Speedbird 184.
London Heathrow ground, November 245 Mike Romeo Heavy, ready for pushback with information X-ray. November 245 Mike Romeo Heavy, pushback approved, tail to the south. Pushback approved, tail to the south, November 245 Mike Romeo Heavy.